I bet at first glance you're looking at these and wondering what they are. Well, these are bookmarkers. Honestly, when I saw them, I knew I just had to have them. As an avid reader and someone who writes in a journal, I think these are a great and super cute and classy way to be able to keep your spot in your page. So this pack actually comes with 27 different ones. So this is also fun as a former teacher. This would have been really cute gifts for my students because we all love to read, of course. So you have a gold, you have a silver, and you have a bronze. So you have the 3 different colors. There are 27 of them in the pack. And I absolutely love that they come with a little case so you can keep everything in there. They are nice and flat, and they're made out of metal, as you can hear. That's all metal that you're hearing. So it's really great. They're nice and sturdy. They're not just going to bend on you. As you can see, of course, it is moving, but it's not going to snap and lose its shape. And as you can see, so right here, I have this in one of my journals. I have it like sticking out right there. So I just open it and I go right to my page. So it keeps it nice and flat. And again, like it's just so different. I think it's really unique, and I'm definitely a big fan.